Rising escalations have claimed at least 50 lives as United Nations officials denounce the conflict, warning of mass displacement and escalating civilian suffering. Several activists on board the Sumud flotilla have reported drone strikes, electronic jamming, and aerial intimidation as it sails towards Gaza. A global movement to support recognition of Palestine is underway as Belgium, Luxembourg, Malta, Monaco, Andorra, San Marino have now joined the list of countries pushing for a two-state solution. G7 foreign ministers issued a joint statement Tuesday calling for a ceasefire in Gaza as they met in New York on the sidelines of the United Nations General Assembly. "I think we'll be able to do it. This is the group that can do it," said Donald Trump, President of the United States of America, at a meeting on Gaza with Arab and Muslim leaders.